Alright, what's up, folks? We're beside Chinook. Chinook's right there. And we're gonna go to Han Korea. We've tried Han's Korea, which is a different restaurant actually in the area. And this is Han Korea. So let's walk in and see how it looks. So there it is, we're inside, waiting to be seated. It's a cool place. Let's register the parking. Okay, how many did you sign up?
Sign up for our parking.
Right, time to order. Got Korean entertainment. Is it two menus or one? Separate menu? It's a different menu, isn't it? Oh, okay, cool. What's this? The Cloud Trail.
I was thinking of getting maybe like a hot stone plate.
Yeah, go ahead.
Or I don't know what is a stew.
Ooh, beef brisket soup.
Well,
I get whatever, man, because I got time.
no, but the other, if you flip it,
Yeah.
you get like for two.
Oh, it's like a combo deal?
Shareable entries.
Oh, it's the same on the other side. Okay.
So
You can do a hot stone plate, yeah? We got
Or I was
time.
gonna get hot pot.
There's something that'll take a long time to eat. I got time to hang out. You want to get the hot stone plate for two?
Or we can get, I don't know what Jonggo is.
K hot pot. It's in brackets.
Yeah, Korean.
Let's do it. Let's try Korean hot pot. I'm down. We're doing it. Let's do Korean hot pot. Let's go.
Okay, I know.
All right. K hot pot is not like hot pot and Vietnamese hot pot. We're gonna get this, but it serves 2 to 3 people. We're only 2 people. I don't want to stuff myself with just that, so we're gonna order the exact same thing, which is this, but a 1-person portion, which was that right there, and that allows us to have a cheaper price instead of $70. I can order something else and eat other things, not just one big same thing over and over and over. Now, which one? What are you in the mood for, huh?
I have no idea.
So you're gonna get that one, which is the other one, and I'll get the bibimbap. I don't want to up my ass and eat one big one. And that new seafood. Whoa. That looks good, man. You should come back here and try all these things. Beef knee soup. If I wasn't so hungry, I'd try it. Alright, there we go. Appetizers. Sick. There you go. Thank you.
See, look, everyone has to
I gotta review this one properly. It's my name. Kimchi from Han Korea.
I'm making kimchi today.
She's making kimchi at home. What's this one? What's this orange stuff?
Like the cabbage. Not the cabbage.
Oh, it's nice.
Radish.
Pickled what is that called again? Radish? No, it's not. It's not.
It's radish.
Is it? Okay. What's this? Coleslaw? What do we got? Potatoes? Potatoes.
So I'm gonna mix this.
Okay. And some of the rice. They don't put the rice in. Han Corea up there. We got takeout. Take home stuff because we're gonna finish it all. It was a good time, right? We're coming back here. I think it's a good restaurant.
You would have fed the whole family.
Yeah, it's a good
We brought the
restaurant.
kids.
A very good restaurant. So we're gonna end it here. You guys enjoyed seeing that footage of Han Corea right across from Chinook Center in Calgary, right over there. So you know proximity wise where it is. Peace out.